Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So here's a look that I created. I am thing 1, thing 2, thing 3, whatever you want to call it, from Dr. Seuss, but I am the female version. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to brush out my brow hairs with the spoolie. And this look I did, it was in March. I recorded because we were having a theme day at work. It was Dr. Seuss Day, and I don't own anything Dr. Seuss. So to participate, I did this look. So I'm going to take a blue eyeliner and just outline my brows. You can use any blue eyeliner that you have at home. It doesn't have to be a specific name brand, but I would go for a dark blue. Next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to clean up my brows. Don't mind the kids in the background. They're downstairs playing the Wii. Clean up the top part of my brow. And I'm going to brush my hairs out with a spoolie again. Make sure they're nice and straight. Then I'm going to take this NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick in the shade Jet Set to fill in my brows. If you don't have a liquid lipstick in this color, you can also use a mascara, but mascara kind of makes your brows hard. Or if you don't have that, you can also use an eyeshadow. Up to you. Or a face paint. Okay, now I'm going to prime my lid using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Highlight White Base. I don't even use this kind of tape anymore. I got that elf tape now. Then I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow from Ibby Beauty, and it's Midnight Sky, I believe. I'm just going to pack that onto my lower lid. Bring it out a little bit to my outer V. They're down there having so much fun playing a game and eating waffles. Next, I'm going to take this shade of blue from my CoverGirl True Naked Jewels palette just to bring it out a little bit more so it don't be so dark. Add some shimmer to it. Next, I'm going to take this Hikari cream pigment in the shade Fierce and apply that above the blue. This step is optional, but I just wanted to do it since I was also wearing red, and I just think it looks cute with the blue. And I'm just using an angled shadow brush. I'm not sure what, maybe a taper brush, and it's from Luxie brushes, I believe. Then I'm just gonna take this bronzy color. It's an elf shadow, I don't remember the name of it, and I'm just gonna use that to highlight my brow bone. This fact was before I ended up getting all these eyeshadow palettes that I have now, so yeah. The makeup growth is real. And I'm just gonna brush out my hairs again, make sure they're looking like brows even though they're colored brows. Then I'm going to go back in and make them a little bit darker and make sure they stay in place with this Maybelline Snap Mascara in Deja Blue. Then I'm going to take this NYX glitter glue and dab that onto my eye using a tapered brush so I can add my glitter. And I already did my wing liner. You always want to make sure you do your eyeliner before applying glitter because it's a mess. Trust me, I learned that the first time I ever did it. And I'm just going to use this Beauty Glaze blue glitter and just dab that right on my lid using my finger. And I'm also going to use the brush for the inner part, the outer part, so I didn't want to get it in my eye. And you want to do this while that glitter glue is still wet and tacky so it sticks. I'm just going to go back into those same colors that I used previously, make sure everything's nice and blended and vibrant and no colors got lost. I already did my foundation and my contour. Now I'm taking that same midnight blue to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take that red, that fierce color, and apply that underneath the blue to smoke that out. Then I guess the things, they had like crazy hair brows, so I just used a liquid eyeliner to draw lines to make it look like my hairs was sticking up. Then I'm going to make my smile. You know, they have that goofy look where it looks like they're smiling all the time. And I'm just using my my e.l.f. cream eyeliner in black using a lipstick brush. This part was hard for me to get a straight line because I cannot really draw that well, especially on my own face. It probably would be easier to do to someone else. Look how crooked that is, oh my god. But you get the idea. Alright, so I just draw two lines, look like half moons, I guess you can say, for the smile. So it looks like I'm smiling. And if you're a better artist than me, your line will come out straighter and look a whole lot better. And now I'm going to draw the nose. You know, all the Who's and most of the Dr. Suess characters have that little pointy nose. I'm just going to draw a circle and then I'm going to fill it in with that red first eyeshadow. Alright guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I did lose the last few minutes of footage. Apologize for that, but don't forget to like, copy, and subscribe. Have a happy Halloween!